wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best cutting torch kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The goplus 10-piece is ideal for those who occasionally need a high-powered cutting and brazing tool. The handle comes with a flash arrestor, and the check valve knobs allow the user to adjust the flame to carbonizing, neutral, or oxidizing. It's easy to operate and is an economical option. However, the parts fit together poorly. At number 9, with all the components required to undertake small projects, the STK USA X5147 offers entry-level capabilities in a very affordable package. It's perfect for beginners, artists, or enthusiasts that require a high-temperature flame. It includes a 15-foot hose and 5 different nozzles, but it's not suitable for heavy-duty use. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Zini JA070055 is small and light enough to carry to a job site without breaking a sweat. While it's not meant for cutting massive joints or thick gauges, the 2.5-inch diameter regulators allow you to braze up to 1/2-inch metal stock. It's good for home or commercial purposes and comes with gas flow adjusters. However, note that an adapter is required for portable tanks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cutting torch kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with a handle, attachment and regulators made of solid brass, the versatile Hobart 770502 offers a quality construction at a great price. A medium-duty setup, it can be used to fuse metal objects as thick as 1/2 inch. It can operate on propane and is equipped with reverse flow check valves, but the attachments get extremely hot. Moving up our list to number 6, the Arcsin Harris WE90232 has all the necessary hardware to get hooked up to gas tanks and begin working. It functions well for general DIY use and includes an individual spiral gas mixer and 3 swage-tipped welding nozzles. It also comes with a size 0 primary tip and a single flint striker. However, the included goggles are low quality. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Thoroughbred TBGP1 makes transportation easy with a freestanding caddy built of high impact-resistant plastic. The set comes with Shade 5 glasses that are more comfortable than goggles and allow greater visibility than welding lenses. It includes ISO-approved tanks and a long 9-inch handle, but it doesn't include arresters. At number 4, the Victor Technology 0384-0948 includes a 10 cubic foot acetylene tank and a 20 cubic foot oxygen tank. The J-handle torch can be attached to larger tanks and can handle most light-duty brazing, heating, and thin-gauge cutting. The tanks are DOT approved and is equipped with an ergonomic handle along with tight-fitting connections. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the included soft-sided carrying bag makes it easy to transport and organize the high-temperature tools that make up the medium-duty Harris 4403-224. It's a reliably constructed set that comes complete with a 20-foot hose and welding goggles. It's made of brass and stainless steel and is good for personal or professional use. It comes with cutting and welding tips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cutting torch kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Victor Technologies Journeyman grants users professional capabilities with features like a T-grade hose that resists oils in alternative gases. The included cutting nozzle can cut up to 8-inch thick steel, and the welding tip can join up to 3-inch thick stock. It boasts a high heat output, integrated flashback arresters, and premium flow regulators. And taking the top spot on our list, designed for small to mid-sized projects, the Victor Technologies Performer offers reliable and precise heat combined with a solid construction. The single-stage ESS3 FG series regulators will ensure that an adequate pressure is supplied to the hoses. It comes with a heating nozzle, professional T-grade hoses, and standard 1/4-inch fittings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cutting torch kits, or simply click beneath this video.